Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to me here, my name is Yashika Turner, and on this video I'm going to walk you through how I get prepared to film and record my videos, from prepping, getting this makeup done, getting the hairstyle done, to finding the right spot, finding the right lighting, the tools and equipments that I use. I'm going to walk you through it all. Now, I'm not going to do the editing part of it. I think I'll do that in another video. So if you're interested in seeing how I edit my videos, creating the thumbnails and all that good stuff, then go ahead and subscribe, because I think I'll be doing this series of how I get prepared and how I get my YouTube videos done. So let's jump right into it. So here we go. So first things first, I'm going to work on this hairstyle. Then we get into the makeup, okay? So let's see what we can do. These braids are so old. So I'm not sure if I want to put it in up like this. So sometimes, because I'm batch creating, usually I would do change up my hairstyles. Sometimes I change up my clothes. Sometimes I just change the hairstyle. So let's see. I don't think I'll be doing much changes with this hairstyle. So now we'll be working on these edges. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is what I'll be using. Edge control, my brush. Okay, let's get into this. And the hair is done. Hair is ready. Okay, let's work on the makeup now. Okay, wash my hands.
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me.
So this is my signature look for my videos. This is the look that you'll see, the look that you'll get from just doing my makeup. So now that we have the makeup out of the way, now let's get into outfits. So usually I batch create, and most time I try to wear black or just what would I say? Just a solid color, so that if I have to take clippings from each videos, then I can easily add or subtract clippings. So say, for example, the intro or the outro, or promoting a link, then I can cut when I'm editing. So usually that's what I do. But sometimes I will change my outfits. Sometimes I'll change my hair. I will let down my hair, just change the styling of my hair. So that's the prep part. And usually makeup and prepping takes about 10 to 15 minutes, right? So now let's get into finding the right spot to shoot the videos. Let's get right there. And I usually do my scripts ahead of time. So usually I know how many videos I'm going to do, and I do my scripts ahead. So make sure that's a pro tip. Make sure that you have your script done. If you script, some people just write bullet points. For me, I do bullet points because I find that when I try to like look at whatever the script is and I try to do it, I think the videos that I talk free flow with bullet points, those videos do much better, right? So the next step now would be finding the right spot. And with my house, it's funny with the lighting. So usually I have to use my ring light. And the other thing, this other struggle that I have with finding the right spot is whether the kids are at home or they're at school. They're not home, right? If they're not home, it's easier for me to switch up spots, which usually this little seating here is usually one of my spots that you'll see that I use oftentimes, right? So this spot, if they're not home and I have the house to myself to record. Now the other spot that I like to use, this one right here. Now this is another little spot that you'll see on my videos, right? Where I'm usually sitting at this wall. And I think I've done a few videos just sitting like in the couch, like right over there. And the other spot now, I'll take you down in the basement. That's if they're home. So whenever they're home and whenever the house is noisy, then that's where I go. Let's go down there. So this is where it's at whenever the house is noisy. When I have my family at home and I don't have the house to myself, I usually just sit right here in this corner here where you see that blank wall. And surprisingly, my videos that has the most views, they were done right here in a blank wall spot, right? So don't be afraid to start if you're doing your videos and you're wondering that you need a backdrop, you need the proper like scene, like greeneries and all those stuff behind you. No, you don't. You just need a wall, right? We know we like the aesthetic looks of our videos, but you just have to make use of what you have right there. I don't have an office setup usually. I don't have an office setup. So this is my office in the basement right here. That's my Cricut machine. I do t-shirts and stuff. So next thing now, oh, this is my ring light. So because the lighting isn't that perfect down here, then I have to use my ring light here. And at the end, I'll walk through the other tools and equipments that I use to record my videos. I'm just using my iPhone, but I will walk you through what you'll need to record your videos. Now let's get into the setup where we're gonna go back upstairs and we're gonna use one of the setups that I usually do to record. So let's get into it. Okay, so now that I would usually set up right here, because this is one of the popular spots that I usually use. So I would have my seating right there. Usually sometimes I'll put a plant right there just for the greenery. And then I will have my tripod stand here. Now this, you can get this on Amazon. I will leave it in my description below so you can get yours if you need a tripod. So that's important for you to have. Next thing is our ring light. Now you are going to see the difference of with the ring light and without the ring light. Okay, so now I'm going to be sitting down right here. So say I'm going to be recording right here, right? Now without the ring light, and then you're going to see with the ring light the difference. You see that? So when I have the ring light, then it gives a better lighting. So lighting is very important. The other piece of equipment or tool that I use is this little mic here. The other piece is connected to the bottom of my phone. And as I said, they're all listed in my Amazon storefront. So usually this is my setup. Some people prefer just to go straight, just like keep talking, going. But and then some people prefers to, yeah, that's better. And then some people prefer, so you gotta position the ring light like this. Okay, let's talk about the front or the back camera. I prefer using the front of the camera. Why? Because I can see if there's a call coming in, although I can put it on this do not disturb. I can see, I just like to see what's going on, right, with my phone, if it is still recording, because I've done video before and it stopped recording or my mic died and there wasn't any sound. So I wasn't able to see what was going on. So I prefer using the front facing. I did a few videos with the back part of the camera and it was okay, but I don't think it really made much really of a difference. This phone that I'm using is my iPhone Pro 15 Pro Max. I was always using, all my previous videos were done with my Samsung S22 or 23, I think it was. So my last, I think, 6 videos were done with my iPhone. So I'm recording with my iPhone, but this is my Samsung phone, which I still love to use at times. So this would be the setup. Another pro tip, always clean your lens, right? Make sure to clean your lens before you start recording. And yeah, so what I'll do is that I will have a list of just list with bullet points. Usually I have it here in my hands, or I will stick it up somewhere and I will just look a little bit. Initially, when I started doing videos, I was doing like, I will record in small pieces just for easier editing. But then I switched that up and I started just letting the camera go. If I make a mistake, I'll just keep going. Then I can always cut that part out when I'm editing it, right? Because you find when you're ready to sit and start recording, you might have to do several attempts before you get it right. Even with me, who have done so many videos, I still have times when I'm like, oh my goodness, why can't I get this right, right? So don't think that it's you. It's not only you, us YouTubers who have been in the game for a little while. I just celebrated my 2 years in journey in YouTube. So this is how I set up. So that's it. Then my next video will be about how I will be editing. So if you're interested in seeing that video, please go ahead and subscribe, because as you can see right now, I'm not just dressing up for this video. I will be doing some batch creating and creating more videos throughout the rest of this session. So I just wanted to share with you, just in case you wanted to start, you're not sure how to set up, you're not sure about the process. It's not that hard, guys. It is not that hard. I do it. Several other YouTubers do it. You can do it too. So promise me that you're going to go ahead right now and record your first video using your phone. If you don't have a mic, start without the mic. I started without a mic. If you don't have a ring light, go in front of a window where there's lighting, where is appropriate in your house, or go outside, right? So if you don't have a tripod stand, set it up. I was just using this thing right here while I was recording. Just find something in your house to set your phone on, okay? Thank you so much for sticking around to the end, and let me know if you like this vlog style format that this is my maybe my first vlog style format, but let me know in the comments. Bye. See you in my next video.